And we're at it again today with two beautiful tomahawk steaks, a roasted garlic bacon compound butter in the making to top these babies off with. We're going to put all those ingredients in with some softened butter, make our butter log, place it in the fridge for 1 hour, create a delicious dry rub for these steaks, and season generously. Get it on that chopping block right there and season the sides and roll it around. Coat that bad boy well. Get the meter made, meter block out. Get your probes in there, set them for 115, adding that hickory wood chunks, and then we're going on for that smoke session. Hitting 115, searing these babies off for 60 seconds per side. Don't worry, that flame is just how I like it, because just look at that crust that it's giving it. Absolutely beautiful. As you're pulling those babies off, you're going to get that couple tablespoons of that butter, put it on there for resting, let it melt on there, remove that bone, and go straight for that spinalis. And we're going to cut that baby up because, as we know, the spinalis is the best part of any piece of meat you'll ever eat. The full recipe is on my website, link in bio, and it's absolutely money.